Ever pondered on why yogurt is so creamy? It's as if a bunch of tiny culinary elves worked their magic, right? Well, not exactly. The reality is a bit less mystical but equally fascinating, so buckle up as we take a whimsical journey through the process of yogurt creation. The first step in our yogurt escapade is milk. Yes, the same stuff you pour over your cereal. But this isn't a simple move from the cow to the cup. No, we heat that milk to nearly boiling, kill off any party crashers and make it a blank canvas for our yogurt masterpiece. Once the milk has cooled off from its steamy encounter, it's time to introduce the star of the show, bacteria. Hold off on the yous and yucks. These are friendly bacteria, the life of the party, if you will. They're called lactobacillus and streptococcus thermophilus. A mouthful, right? But don't worry, you don't have to invite them to dinner by name. These bacteria buddies have a single mission: to chow down on the lactose in the milk. It's a feast fit for a king, or in this case, billions of tiny bacteria. As they munch away, they create lactic acid. This acid works on the proteins in the milk, making them curdle and giving yogurt its characteristic tang and creaminess. Now here's where the magic happens. The mixture is left to ferment. That's a fancy way of saying, go have a cup of tea and a biscuit, you've earned it. During this time, the bacteria are working overtime, turning that humble milk into the creamy delight we know and love. Finally, after a few hours, or sometimes overnight if they're not feeling rushed, the yogurt is ready. It's chilled for a bit and voila, it's ready to be enjoyed. Whether you like it plain, flavored, or with a dollop of honey, the choice is yours. To sum it all up, making yogurt is a bit like hosting a party. You start with a clean house, invite some lively guests, provide them with plenty of food, and let them do their thing. The result? A party so good it curdles, in the best possible way. So the next time you dive into a bowl of yogurt, remember the party that made it possible. And the next time someone asks you why yogurt is so creamy, you can tell them, it's not magic, it's bacteria. But let's keep that between us, shall we? After all, it's more fun to keep them guessing.